What's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. Over the past couple of days, a lot of you guys have been asking for one product, and that is the OnePlus 8. So today in this exciting exclusive video, I have brought you guys the all new OnePlus 8. And this is in the green color, and this is the highest end 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabyte internal storage variant of the OnePlus 8 in a sealed box. So in this video, let's go ahead and break this open, see what we get inside the box, and let's set up the phone as well. If you guys are excited for this, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button. If you are new to my channel, let's go ahead and check out the all new OnePlus 8. Alright, so here we have the OnePlus 8 box that is still sealed. We have a red color box with the 8 logo over here. Let me first go ahead and peel off this plastic wrapping that is around the box with my trusty unboxing knife. So let me quickly go ahead and peel this one off. Just like that. And here we have at the front of the box, we have the 8 logo in a red color box that is looking pretty good, and it has a matte feel to it. And on the side it says OnePlus, and on the left hand side it says OnePlus 8. Then at the bottom we have the OnePlus logo as well, and at the back of the box we have the details, the model number, IMEI number, and how much RAM and storage that this product has. Like I mentioned to you guys before, this has 12 gigabytes of RAM as well as 256 gigabytes of internal storage. So now let's go ahead and get into the box. So we just have to slide in just like this. So as I pull this through, as you guys can see, we are having 8 over here as well, and we can find the OnePlus 8 sitting right here at the top, and it says never settle right here at the bottom. So let me quickly take the phone and keep that to the side for just a sec, and let me pull this tab also out. So seems like this has some information manual, so let me quickly put that out as well. So within this we get some information manual. So all of this is in Chinese. We also get the OnePlus stickers, a lot of stickers actually, and then we have the SIM ejection tool here as well. So all these manuals are actually in multiple languages. So here we have the quick start guide over here. So I'm going to keep all of that to the side because no one ever really checks that. Anyway, then we have the TPU case right here in the box, and it says never settle on the side. That's a nice touch. So let me keep that to the side. Next we have the charging cable. So this is a red color charging cable with the white accents all over it, and this is needed for the next part, which is the most important part of the phone. That is the new updated warp charging technology that is built into it. So we have the OnePlus branded charger over here, and this is the charging brick that you get with the OnePlus 8. So these are all the contents that we get inside the box, and here we have the most important thing, and that is the phone. I mean, just check this one out. It's nicely sealed. So let me go ahead and quickly get rid of this polythene wrapping so that we can get into the phone. So this is the OnePlus 8. Look at this color. It's shiny, it's nice, and it sort of matches my Apple Watch strap. So that's pretty nice. So let me go ahead and quickly peel off this sticker from the back of the phone so that we can nicely admire the look of the OnePlus 8. So at the back it has a nice matte finish to it, and we have the camera setup over here along with the LED flasher. The OnePlus logo is there, but you can't really feel it. It's underneath the display. So is the OnePlus branding logo here at the bottom. When you actually when you're in an area with a lot of light, the phone actually shines through. It looks really nice and classy, and when you just slant it into different angles, you can see different shades of the blue as well. And at the front we can find the punch hole camera on the left hand side, and there seems to be a screen protector that is already pre-applied by OnePlus here in this case. So we also have the alert slider on the right hand side along with the power button, and at the bottom the SIM card tray along with the USB Type-C port and the speaker. At the top we have the secondary noise cancellation microphone, and on the left hand side we have the volume rockers. So let's go ahead and turn on the OnePlus 8 for the very first time and see if it's really good or what. So hitting on that power button, we see the OnePlus logo along with powered by Android, the familiar screen that we are all used to. So now we are waiting for the phone to load up. So the OnePlus startup logo is now going on. So once this animation is completed, we will get into the setup menu just like this. So here we can select the region. So I'm gonna just select the United States and just get started with this. So I'm gonna go ahead with the setup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set up this phone really fast. So I'm gonna skip all of these things so that I can get into the phone, so that I can show this to you guys really fast, because there are some exciting things that are packed into the OnePlus 8 for the price that it comes in. So it's pretty neat. So let's quickly get started without wasting much time. So okay, we just have to select the gestures now. Okay, we had to run through this mandatory tutorial, so I'm pretty much used to all sorts of gestures now after using gestures on almost all the latest smartphones. So it's nice that OnePlus has actually put that in for the newcomers. Actually, I really like the feel of the phone from the back, because when I hold it in my hand, I can feel the matte finish. But if I have to use this TPU cover, that will be gone. I mean, nowadays it's very difficult to use a phone naked just like this, because if you drop it by any chance, you're not only going to crack the front of the phone, but you're also going to crack the back side of it. Because most of the time it's not made of some durable materials. So quickly getting into the settings area of the OnePlus 8 to show you the specs of this. So we have the Snapdragon 865 processor on this, along with the 12 gigabytes of RAM. Some people might not even have this much of RAM on their computer. I mean, that's how crazy this phone is. Then we have 256 gigs of internal storage, and the camera array we have is we have a 48 megapixel camera, then we have a 16 megapixel camera and a 2 megapixel camera. So altogether we have a triple camera setup with a 90 Hertz screen. I mean, look at this screen, it's pretty awesome. It's not as fluid definitely as the 120 Hertz display on the S20 lineup, but it's pretty good, and it's running the latest Android 10, so you can get the latest Android experience on your new OnePlus device, and it's running on top of Oxygen OS, so you can expect a lot of updates from OnePlus to enhance the experience. I'm sure now when I connect to the Wi-Fi and check for updates, we will see some awesome updates here as well. So we also get the in-display fingerprint scanner that you can set up here on this device, and overall the experience seems to be pretty smooth, and the device seems to be really smooth as well. So I'm really excited to check this one out. Let me quickly open up the camera and quickly take one photo of the box just to show you guys one picture. So here we have the picture that I just took with the OnePlus 8. Looks pretty good, but I'll bring you guys more detailed videos of the OnePlus 8 very soon. So stay tuned right here on Andro Dollar and let me know what type of videos you guys want to see featuring the OnePlus 8 here in my channel. So I know now a lot of you guys want to know the pricing details of this, so that's why I'll leave all the pricing and where you can buy this one down below in the description. I actually got this from iDealz. I'll have their details as well as other information down below in the description when it comes to pricing, because the price always keeps changing based on the dollar rate on that particular day. So because of that, I'll put that down below in the description, so you can check it out. If you go ahead and pick it up from them, just let them know that Andro Dollar sent you, so that you'll get something good in return for that. So yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see with the OnePlus 8, and stay tuned. I'll also try to get you guys the OnePlus 8 Pro video very soon here on my channel. So if you are new to my channel, definitely smash that subscribe button right now for more awesome exclusive videos just like this one. And follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.